Hello everyone and welcome back to Art One Briefing. So in this video I'm going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale which is known as NAKAMOTO DEX. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here we are on the website and you can check out NAKAMOTO DEX, bringing DeFi to Bitcoin. NAKAMOTO DEX is a innovative decentralized exchange built onto the Bitcoin network, offering users the freedom of unrestricted trading combined with Bitcoin renowned security and stability as well. Buy NAKAMOTO DEX coin right now. So if you scroll, you can check out they are featured into several YouTube channels. Many calls have already talked about this product, so make sure you check out their videos as well. So now you can check out the pre-sale stage is currently 3. They have raised this much amount of USD. Listing date is Q4 of 2025, and in next stage you will get it in $0.0004 per token. Currently you will get it one NATOX token in $0.0003, and here you can check out they have raised this much amount of USDT. Now down here you can check out the method of buying. You can get 50% bonus as well if you purchase minimum of 50 USD. And so method is pretty simple. You just had to make a wallet, Trust wallet or MetaMask will also work, and then you have to fund it with the crypto BNB Ether, and then come to the site, connect, and then enter the amount and convert your token into NATOX. Down here you can check out some of the news articles. They are featured in Bazinga, Digital Journalist, Street Insider.com, Business Insider, Binance Care, as well as Bitcoin.com. Down here you can check out the partners of the product, which includes Only Layer, Hira Network, Goblin, Seagate, Orpler, as well as many more. Down here you can check out the token allocation, which is basically the tokenomics of the product. You can check out for team and advisors. They have reserved 12% of the supply. Strategic partners, they have reserved 10% of the supply for liquidity. They have reserved 8% for staking. They have reserved 20% for CEX listings. They have reserved 10% for public pre-sale. They have reserved 40% of the supply. So make sure you can check it out. Down here you can check out the total supply is also mentioned here. So how to earn rewards with the staking program? They also have a staking program. A key feature of NATOX is their staking program. By staking the tokens, investor can earn rewards with an APR of up to 200% regardless of the token price. All returns are generated from the trading pool of their AI driven trading system. Down here you can check out the method. You just have to get tokens, then stake and get rewards. Also you can check out the staking reward calculator as well. You can check out 30-day APR is 50%, 90-day APR is 90%, 180-day APR is 120%, and 360 days APR is 200%. So this one is the best for you. Down here you can check out earn passive income using their stake feature. So why NAKAMOTO DEX? You must be thinking a key feature of NATOX is their dividend program. By holding the token, investors can enjoy monthly payouts of up to 15% regardless of the token's price. All returns are generated from the trading pool of their AI driven trading system. You can check out PEF as well as fault tolerance, as well as you can check out Bitcoin employ a robust consensus mechanism ensuring high uptime as well as details. So you can check it out. Also they have answered all of the frequently asked questions that are coming to your mind, such as what risks should be investors fully understand before investing, how you can claim the tokens, what are how many are total rounds when it will be listed. Each and everything that are coming in your mind are already answered by them. So make sure to check out this amazing product. Also the product has been audited, so you can check out their audit as well. So now let's check out their audit. Here I had opened the CoinSalt and you can check out the audit of NAKAMOTO DEX. You can check out the product has been audited and they have a pretty good report as well. So make sure to check out their audit as well. So guys, if you like the video, give that a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel, and if you like the product you can check it out as well, and if you want you can become part of their pre-sale as well and do some more research as well. This video is for educational purposes. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.